Hello guys, thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Robert and today's tutorial is about blocking or how you can prevent certain application or program from making inbound or outbound connection. So I made a simple step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is to sit back and watch the video. First thing we need to do is to check if our application, which is Google Chrome, can connect to the internet. Let me know. Can connect to the internet. Let's try to block the application. We'll close the window. So press on your keyboard, press start key and letter S. Type in Firewall. Select Windows Firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. So we just need to set up a rule for inbound and outbound. Click on inbound, select new rule. So program should be selected, click next. So we need to type in the directory address. If you know the program or the location of the program, you can always click on browse, but in our case we'll be using or blocking Google Chrome. So I have it here. Right click on the icon, another right click on this icon, click on properties. So since everything is selected, no need to press Ctrl+A for select all. All you have to do is to press Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste the directory address, click next, block connection, click next, select everything here, domain, private, and public, click next, type in Chrome, click finish. So we will now set up a rule for outbound. New rule, click next, paste the directory address, Ctrl+V, click next, block connection, next. So domain, private, and public is selected, click next, type in Chrome, and then click on finish. Let's go ahead and check if Google Chrome can connect now. Yahoo or Google. Click on search or type in anything here. So it shows here that the process or the steps that we did earlier work. So Google Chrome can no longer connect to the internet. Let's type in Yahoo. Alright, still not working. Let's close the window and disable what we did earlier. So right click and then disable rule. So that is for outbound rules. So for inbound, look for Chrome. Right click on it and disable rule. Click on the Chrome application. Type in Google. Let's type something here. Alright, so as easy as that, all you have to do is to set up some rules if you want to block a specific program. So for all program exit files, this step-by-step tutorial will work. So let's go ahead and disable or remove the rule that we created earlier, because we can always delete it just press delete. Yes. For outbound, look for Google Chrome, delete. So let's check again if the application is still working. Google, Yahoo. Alright, so everything is working fine, so we were able to re-establish the connection of our browser. So again, for every program that you want to block, if this bothers you, just use the step-by-step procedure that we learned earlier. And again, thank you for watching the video. See you on the next tutorial. Have a great day.